How's everyone doing? Not much in the way of let's just get this a little higher if we can. I am in full incognito today. No bandana. This is spontaneous. Oh, the rain came. And I mean the rain came. I think this is the first time you guys have seen the outside of my house. Or at least my yard. That, you know, where I live. I'm gonna do my best to avoid the street sign if I can. But yeah. What do you mean stop being a wuss? What am I being a wuss about? Or did you drop me? Well, you want me to go out in it? You want me to go out in it? All right, all right. What, you think I wouldn't? It's kind of mild right now. You know? Well, unfortunately, they disapprove of taking off shirts on Twitch, even for guys. So, unfortunately, yeah, no. Honestly, I don't expect it to get much worse than this, although it'll probably go up and down. I'm just kind of wanting to vibe and chill. The wind hasn't started picking up yet, so I don't have to worry too much about it blowing over my camera. Or phone, rather. Oh, man. This does feel really weird because I'm literally standing here kind of talking to my phone. I know I look weird. I look weird. Y'all haven't seen this much of my hair since I cut it. You know, since when I got my beard shaved. Oh. You've seen someone way worse. I mean, come on, y'all have seen me babyface. Of course you've seen worse. I do have to worry about vehicles coming by. I am 36. I am old enough to be people's dads. It's true. It is actually true. Oh yeah, no, I am 36 years young. Ignore the gray. That's just that. Well, I mean, technically, let's see. There's Jer, Tisha, not Tisha. Technically, I'm an uncle, not quite a grandpa yet. I'm a little surprised Soup hasn't popped in yet. But for the most part, I think I am going to keep it on the street whenever I can. If this is the time of day he'd be more likely to come in. Because, well, he's not at work right now. I'm not at school right now. I apologize for any shaking. If I do anything like check to see if you guys have dropped any channel things on me, it's going to shake it because I'm literally a camera on a stick right now. I mean, heck, if I stomp on the ground too much, it's going to shake the camera. Honestly, you know what? While we're just sitting here, the rain's kind of slow. I will switch back to me for a little bit. Dude. Work was a rough night. I really do have a lot of hair back there, you know? I am full on Santa Claus, as far as hair goes. Huh. It's been a while since I just sat out here just to sit out here. I don't even have a drink or anything. Give me just a minute. I am going to put you guys back on the street view while I go grab me a drink. Alright, and I'm back. Sorry about that. Oh man. Actually, do you prefer it this far away? Or was it better when it was a little closer? This is good? Alright. Let me tell you, this feels bizarre for me. I'm not used to the whole, streaming from my phone. This feels a little bizarre for me still. I might do this more often once I get used to, if I get used to it. Stuff like this where, oh, here's a interesting moment. Little spider. Let's see, where is he? Oh, he ran away. He's right there. Sorry about that. There's nothing quite like a cute little spider, man. They're adorable. Drink. Yep. Drinking an Arizona Arnold Palmer today. Come on, I heard rain. I swear, this irritates me. When I heard the rain outside my window, I was like, oh, it's time. Let me grab the camera, let me grab my phone, get going. And I stuck my head out to see how full it was, how busy it was, and it was coming down, a sheet of rain. In the time it took me to mount my phone to a tripod and put on a shirt and come outside, it went away. I'm a little irritated by it. I do not know how long this will last. My phone is at 41%. Hopefully it'll pick back up on the rain some. Yeah. Well, up here in the greater North Carolina region, in the south of the U.S., we are under a tropical storm warning until tomorrow. I'll be driving to work in that tonight in the time period where it's supposed to be raining the most for us. About 9:30 at night is it's supposed to be at its worst about 8 o'clock tonight. I'm gonna have to be on the road at 9:30. I'm probably not going to be able to see on my way home. I am on my way to work. I don't know how long I'm going to stream. Today, at least. If it's really bad at, when I get off of work still, I might stream a little more of the rain. I was hoping it'd be some good, thick, heavy rain. Because I kind of wanted to stream the rain to, for you guys. Let you guys see what the rain was like for us today. But it decided to just give me a little tease and then run away. Oh, are we getting a pickup? Is it picking up? Yeah, no, I know what it's like when it does that, it peaks a little, and then just suddenly it drenches you. Yeah, no, I know how bad that gets. Honestly, it's been a while since I just got to sit outside and chill. Actually kind of enjoying it. It's been so hot and humid. I mean, it's still hot. It's still humid. But it's cooled off a little right now. And it kind of feels good. It does feel good out here. It's been a while since I was out here. And it is picking up a little now. It is picking up a little now. Oh, it does feel good. It has been a while since I got some good rain. I swear you wouldn't think this was a back road. For anyone who's here that's never been here before, this is not my normal content. I normally play Factorio or build models or something like this. But I am under a tropical storm warning currently. And I wanted to see what the rain was going to be like. I hope you guys enjoy it. If I get a little quiet, it's probably because I'm just kind of enjoying the vibe of the weather. You will see me occasionally walk out there, and yes, I am wearing a bright green shirt. I am a walking green screen, it is true. My normal streams consist of me just being a head. Just a talking head. It's kind of fun. Wow, it really did kind of pick up. There's something soothing about the rain. Like, I admit that one of my favorite tracks to fall asleep to is just a rain track. Just a light thunderstorm with a low thumping beat. It's soothing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Also, if you're sleeping indoors, it's got to be with a red light. Never, if you're sleeping indoors with a light on, it's got to be a red light. There's something so soothing about red light. That cedar tree you guys are seeing just out there in the yard, that tree has been through some things. It's missing half of what it had when I moved in here because of hurricanes. It also has the nickname of the spider tree. Because of how many spiders used to nest in it. We didn't do the damage. Hurricanes did. Hurricanes did. Mother Nature hurt Mother Nature. It's not my fault. I mean, I won't deny being a demon. You know, anything's better than being a human these days. Ooh, that's me getting a little too melancholy. Sorry about that. I really need to figure out how to stream music. I need to play music while I'm streaming here. I would love to have like just a really low track on. You're true. I could always go get another device. True, I forgot. Give me just a minute on that. Do I have a speaker? I don't have a speaker, actually. I need to consider that. I need to consider getting a speaker because I do have Bluetooth on my phone, and that is not what I was looking for. Oh. And my roommate just gave me a hand. He passed off the speaker. Give me just a minute and I'll have some music playing. All right, so we do have music. Just a nice little mellow lo-fi track. I don't even know how long my phone's got. Oh, we got plenty of time. I swear, for a back roads, for a back road city location, we are getting a lot of traffic. All right. Hey, I'll be here. Oh, it feels good out here. Hope you guys are having a good time. Just kind of chilling. Feels great out here. Can you guys hear the music well enough? I'll be right back. Music will still be playing. Alright, sorry about that. Oh, the rain has slowed down again. Darn it. There's a face, huh? Yeah, gotta thank Cy for this. It's really doing us a wonder on the audio front. I apparently was pocket dialing. But looks like the rain may be dying off again. Let's see some words in word in chat. Who wants me to stay on for a little while longer? Who's good? I swear sometimes you see the wildest things out here. Okay, well, we're gonna stay live until I hit 15% or I hit an hour, one of the two. I know it doesn't look like it, but there's actually a good bit of rain coming down. Just the angle we're at, it's just not visible. Is that better? I don't think that's better. Hello, still here, don't worry. Just kind of mellow and chilling. It's kind of neat seeing all the people go by. It's kind of devolved into, we'll call it a heavy mist. It's technically raining, but it's that really light rain that's constant but barely visible. It's not bad. It's enjoyable. I figured some good lo-fi was perfect for this kind of vibe. I really am enjoying it out here. I have to applaud the efficiency of this streaming application that I'm using. When I started streaming for the nearly an hour ago, I was at 36%. I'm only at 23. after 51 minutes of streaming. And I've maintained a basically above 35 kilobits per second the entire time. Dang it, family. That's going to be on the stream. I apologize about that. I thought I had disabled that. Got the accursed Facebook flash, sorry. Oh, come on, family. Don't do this. Well, it looks like today has just been a very mild day of rain watching with Kira. The storm clouds that were overhead appear to be going away. Hopefully we'll see some more later on. Who knows? There may be a we'll call it late night spontaneous streaming of the storm. Who knows? So this is going to be me, Kiramasu Live. One moment. This is going to be me, Kiramasu Live, signing off.